Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing Phlox Drummondii. Sow seeds on the surface of good free draining seed compost. Do not cover the seed. Place in a propagator or sealed container inside a polythene bag and place at 18 to 20, 64 to 68 Fahrenheit until after germination, which takes 10 to 21 days. Do not exclude light as this helps germination. Right, these are some seeds I've got left over from last year, so hopefully they are going to be okay. They look alright. So first of all, let's get this tray filled up. Excuse me. I'm using this because I've run out of the single trays, so I'm using these section ones. Also, a couple of seeds into the middle of each one, and hopefully they'll come. If I get more than one per section, I shall just use some more trays. This is a peat-based compost. It's also got a little bit of feed in it, just for the first few weeks. Nearly there. Like so. That's alright one. Right, then just give it a tap down. Like so. That's nice. Right, let's look at the seed, shall we? Here we go. Yeah, it's a lovely day here on the allotment. Really enjoying being out today. Yeah, these still look fine. At least a nice big seed to these, so you can actually see what you're doing. So, yeah, a couple each one, like so. Should get more than one coming per section, so then I can just prick them out and pop them on. Just a really nice flower, this. Really enjoy growing these. Yeah, I'm growing plenty of flowers this year because I've got my allotment, so I've got plenty of space now to grow both veg and flowers. So that's them all sown on the top. All you need to do then is give them a really good water. You can put them in a tray or a sink and water them from the bottom, but I haven't got that yet, so I'm using a watering can. Well, that's all watered. All you need to do then is just leave them to germinate, and that's it. That's Phlox Drummondii. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Good day folks, thank you, bye.